guys, this is Faithlyn with Elegance for Less. This is my second DIY for you today. So what I am going to create is a wall floral decor. What you'll need is a part of the Dollar Tree cardboard. You will need one of those, I've shown you guys these sticks that I purchased from Walmart, and they're 59 cents. They're just, I'm not sure what size they are, but they're the ones that are 59 cents. So I purchased 3 of them, 2 on each side, and then cut it down to size for the smaller size. So this is a rectangle. Okay, then I had spray painted it gold and add some diamond wrap and a few of those little gems just to cut down on time. Now I saw on Amazon that they had these reflective paper that you basically it has the adhesive on the back. You cut it to the size you want it, and then you can use it as a mirror or you can use it for whatever you want. I decided I wanted to use it in this decor as a reflective, it's not so much like a mirror because it's not clear enough to be a mirror, but I think it will work perfectly fine. So it has a plastic, let's see if I can get to it, to protect the reflective side. It has a plastic. So I basically measured it out, tape it onto the cardboard, and now just to remove that part from there. Easy as that. It wasn't expensive at all. It was, I want to say it was $10 for the whole roll. So I thought that was pretty nice. So I wanted to get that step out of the way. So here we go, that can sit there for a while. What we're going to create is a floral wall decor. And that was one of the reasons why I wanted to get that out the way so that I could create the floral for you guys. I went to the thrift store, the Goodwill, and they had these little things there, these little glass. They're real glass, but they're very thin. And they have the flat back, and I thought that would be absolutely perfect to hang on the wall. But I didn't just want to hang the glass on the wall, I wanted to create a frame for it. So that's what I did over here. What we're going to do now is create a floral to go inside and also to give us our wall decor. So I must mention, these were $1.18 each. What you'll need is the foam from the Dollar Tree, which I inserted in here, and the glass. I don't want it further down because I don't want the glass to show. So I don't want for the foam to show, just the glass. So I inserted the foam. You'll need Dollar Tree flowers, which I have mentioned several times, guys. I am just loving the Dollar Tree flowers this year. So because these are very small, the cylinder, I estimated 1 bush of should be plenty. So let's recap. You'll need to create a frame, which is from the Dollar Tree cardboard. One side is perfectly fine. And diamond wrap and the wood to create a frame. It's optional, you don't have to. If you don't want to do that, you don't have to. You will need something that's flat. You can even create this from a cardboard if you wanted to. But I thought these were perfect when I saw them at the Dollar Tree. So you'll need a cylinder. You'll need 2 cylinders. You'll need the Dollar Tree flowers. And I have some roses that I had from the Dollar Tree bouquet I did before, so I'm going to use these too. You'll need floral wire cutter. You'll need regular scissors for your diamond wrap, glue gun and glue sticks. This diamond wrap, I absolutely love it. I've used it in a decor before and I cannot bring myself to break that decor down because it's gorgeous, and I'm leaving it up. It's a candle holder because I truly love it. This is gorgeous. This came from Hobby Lobby. It was $14.99 and 50% off. We're going to use some gems, and these are also from Hobby Lobby. They're $3.99 and you can use a coupon on it. I don't know if I need other gems. We may. Alright, so let's get started now that part of our project is already finished. I now want to separate my flowers, and because we are only doing 2, it makes it easy. I want to cut these short because I don't want them too long for the cylinder. And it's not really a big deal. Just cut them the way that you think they would go perfectly well in the cylinder. It's not rocket science. I think that's cute. Let's go ahead and bring this forward. One tall, one short. I like the contrast, just like that. I think that would be very cute. Okay. We're going to do the same. So guys, I want to go ahead and glue these leaves down onto the glass, just so it hides the foam that we put in to hold the flowers. Not a whole lot, just a dab, just to have it covering the rim of the glass. Now I want to go ahead and measure out my, you don't have to worry about the back because the back is not going to be visible at all. Then just go up underneath, measure out where you want your wrap to be. And this is why you need your scissors. Lay your glue down onto the edge of the glass. Place your diamond wrap all the way to the top onto the edge. Then you're going to bring it across and hot glue it. Lay your glue down and bring your diamond wrap over. And guys, that's the way it looks. And I was thinking I wanted to add some stones just because of the stone that I've added on the other gem, but I'm not sure. I mean, it's not necessary, but it would be cute because of the frame. So let's go ahead and add it. I'm going to finish this up, do that one, come back, and we'll glue this on and call it a day. Okay guys, so I placed the glass in the position that I would like for it to be. Now I'm just going to add a generous amount of glue. And I would say put the generous amount of glue onto the top because it's not visible, and I went ahead and add some, I wasn't thinking, onto the bottom, but I think having it onto the top will keep it will be sturdy enough. You don't have to put any at the bottom, that way it's not showing. This one will show because that was an accident. This one will not show. I'm going to place it on the wall and you can take a look and let me know what you think. Hi guys, this is how it turned out. I really love the way it looks. I decided I wanted to add some candles. So the Dollar Tree have these little containers that they have in the office supply area. I took the cap off and add some diamond wrap and glued it to the board and put some tea light candles on the inside. I really love the way that turned out. So now I have a floral wall with candles. Nice touch. I hope you guys like it. If you do, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, let me know what your thoughts are, if this is something you would recreate for your home. All right guys, I truly appreciate your time. I thank you for your comments and your participation. I will see you on my next DIY.